It's Linda Medeiros with What's Linda Cooking, and director with the Pampered Chef. I am making dinner tonight, and my husband, after our marathon of chicken, because remember I made that roasted chicken, he was like, okay, I'm done with chicken now for a little bit. Can we please have something else? So I'm making a steak tonight, and I'm going to change the camera a little bit. Ooh, I'm making a mess over here, because I'm making a little bit, instead of, we don't have croutons, so I'm making little things of garlic bread to have in our salad, just little. And what I'm using is I put in my prep bowl some garlic, fresh garlic, and Italian seasoning, and some olive oil, and I'm using my basting brush, and then just putting this right on. I'm going to show you camera down here, right there, and that's going to go into the air fryer. Let me do that real quick. Oops, sorry. And we're going to put this right over here. Ooh, come with me. I'm going to put it in the air fryer right here. And because, you know, the air fryer will, you don't need a, I'm just going to put that on. I actually should increase that temperature. But you don't need a, what do you call it, a toaster oven with your air fryer, because the air fryer takes the place of that. Now, what I have here is some steaks going. And I'm going to turn them in a minute. This is my double burner grill pan. What I love about it is I can do all the chicken for the week in here. If you have boneless, skinless chicken, you can do all the chicken in here, or do like I'm doing, veggies on one side. My husband likes onions and peppers with his steak. And then the steaks on the other side. So we're just going to turn these. My husband likes them kind of medium rare. And I'm going to put a little pat of butter on them, and maybe some compound butter, and then that'll be done. So I love this because I can grill in here. I don't love grilling outside, even though it's a really great time to do that. I don't, you know, love doing that right now. So my counter's a mess over there. And then I'm making some potatoes. My husband, when we first got married, he was like, I said, I'm going to make boiled potatoes. He's like, I don't like boiled potatoes. And I was like, oh, really? Because you've had them before and you loved them. And he's like, no, I don't like boiled potatoes. So I made them. He's like, oh, these aren't boiled potatoes. These are potatoes with sauce. And so what I do is I boil the potatoes with the skins on. And then I boil them, not quite mashed, but, you know, almost there. And then I add butter, salt, pepper, and some parsley. Mix it up so the potatoes don't get mashed, but they get a little bit broken up. So it almost like a creamy consistency, like a sauce. And he thinks that it's potatoes with sauce, even though it's boiled potatoes. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. I will put a picture of what it looks like at the end. And I'll try to do a rough recipe, but really there isn't any. What I put on I use the Italian seasoning on the bread, and then I used crushed peppercorn and garlic and salt and pepper on the steaks, okay? So that's what we're having for dinner. What are you having for dinner? But more importantly, what do you need help with? In the comments, if you have something in your pantry that you don't know what to do with, if you're having problems with ideas for breakfast or lunches, let me know. And I will try to help you. A lot of my shows, that's what I'm doing. It's like, what do you have in your pantry that you need to use up? And that's what I'm helping people with. So put it in the comments, and I will try to help you with that. So if you are watching this, please like it and share it. Sharing is caring. If you're on YouTube, subscribe, share. Again, sharing is caring. This is Linda Medeiros with What's Linda Cooking. Bye for now.